So we have the following function: x to the fourth power plus 5x cubed minus 25x squared minus 125x. And we also have a graph of this function. And what we need to do, we need to factor our function, factor the polynomial using the graph. So there are a few rules to remember. So first of all, if the graph crosses the x-axis and appears almost linear at the intercept, it is a single zero. If the graph touches the x-axis and bounces off the axis, it is a zero with even multiplicity. If the graph crosses the x-axis at a zero, it is a zero with odd multiplicity. And also the sum of multiplicities is the degree n. Okay, now let's see how we can use these rules with our function. So from the graph, we can see that it touches the x-axis and bounces off of the axis at the point x equals minus 5. So right here, the graph touches the x-axis and bounces off of it. So we can write down that at x equals minus 5, graph touches x-axis and bounces off of it. That means that this is zero with even multiplicity. So zero with even multiplicity right here. And that means that the factor x plus 5 squared is a quadratic factor of the given function. So x plus 5 squared is a quadratic factor. Well, now we also from this graph we can see that the graph crosses the x-axis at x equals 0 and x equals 5. So here and here, at x equals 0 and x equals 5, graph crosses x-axis. Well, that means that this is 0 with odd multiplicity. 0 with odd multiplicity. So that means that x minus 5 and x are the factors of the given function. So x minus 5 and x are factors. So the sum of multiplicities, 2 plus 1 right here, right? Plus 1 here, 2 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4, which is equal to the degree of our function. Degree of function. So that means that these are the only factors of our function, and we can write it down as f of x equals x plus 5 squared times x minus 5 times x.